Okay, so this week had to do with using the quadratic formula. So the problem was 5x squared plus 9x minus 16 equals 2. So first, I subtracted 2 by both sides. Here at the 16 and the 2. I couldn't subtract 2 from these 5 and 9x, 5x squared, because these had x's. So I subtracted 2 on both sides because I want to be left with 0 here. Then I was left with 5x squared plus 9x minus 18, because 16 minus 2 is 18. But when you have a negative 16 and a negative 2, you get negative 18 equals 0. Now I use the quadratic formula, which was negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4 times ac over 2a. So here, just to make it easier for myself, so I can remember when I need to plug in the numbers, I said b is 9x is 9, and c is negative 18. So now what I did was I just plugged in the numbers. So I know b, because it's negative b, this was a positive 9, it turns into a negative 9. Plus or minus negative 9 plus or minus square root of 9 squared, because b is 9, 9 squared minus 4, a was 5, and c was negative 18 over 2a. So 2 times, and a again was 5. So then I had negative 9 plus or minus 21. Because 9 squared is 81, minus, when you combine these, you get 21. Because negative 20 times a negative 18 gives you a 21. Then over 10, because 2 times 5 is 10. So this means plus or minus 21 over 10. So I have to set each it's going to be 2 separate answers. So one is going to be positive from the addition, and one is going to be subtraction. So now I'm left with negative 9 plus 21 over 10, comma, negative 9 minus 21 over 10. And when I solve this, negative 9 plus 21 gives me 12 over 10. A negative 9 and a negative 21 gives me a negative 30 over 10. And then I said 2 divided by 12 is 6. 2 divided by 5. 2 divided by 10 is 5. So now I'm left with 6/5, comma. A negative 30 divided by 10 is a negative 3. And that's how I was left with 6/5, comma, negative 3.